The main purpose of graphic design is to communicate visually. It uses typography, images, and colors to represent certain ideas or messages. It blends photography, illustration, and motion graphics together to create an appealing design which can capture the attention of the viewers. It's important for any e-commerce business since it allows you to increase your brand's reach while also helping you for making a lot of money. The purpose of graphic design is diverse. Let's discuss a few important points of how it can put impact on your e-commerce business. Hello, this is Adnin from Ecomclips. In this video, we are about to discuss the importance of graphic design to boost your e-commerce business. So let's start. Graphic design's primary goal is to lay a strong foundation for your brand's message. The design of your logo determines how your business is viewed by potential customers. If you have a hard to understand logo, the customer may look away and show no interest in your company or business. On the other hand, if you have a fascinating and unique logo design, people will be attracted to it and are more likely to remember it. An experienced graphic designer can build a logo that is a real expression of company's belief as well as that is attractive and unique. It will help to form a positive first impression of your brand. Your company's virtual front door is your website or the e-commerce platform you prefer. When customers or viewers come to your website, listing or page, you want them to know you are real deal, that you know what you are talking about and you are trustworthy. Images play a major role in site's look as well, but it's important to think about the purpose of each image and graphic. People don't like filler photos and they don't pay much attention either. Studies found that people generally ignore pictures that serves no purpose, such as normal stock photos. Without outstanding visuals, an e-commerce business will not prosper in this highly visual and technology world. This is one of the reasons why digital marketing has evolved over time. As a result, marketers now have to work twice as hard to get seen by their target market. Unique graphic design are used more frequently to gain good comments in order to stand out. Customers will believe they are communicating with a human rather than an automated machine because of this. It also gives a sense of your company's personality. Graphic designs allow a business to express itself uniquely and build a common ground. Generally, marketers create effective marketing ideas that graphic designers bring to life. Here are some marketing materials that can be used: email template, newsletter, infographics, ebook, and product catalog. The main advantage of graphic design for businesses is that it can assist gaining high awareness, which finally leads to increased conversions. Effective graphic design attract more customers to the website or store, which means increasing the chances of conversion and eventually sales. I hope these points help you to know about the importance of graphic design in e-commerce sector. Hiring professional graphic designer will help you to improve your brand's visibility and lift your revenue eventually. Even if you have employees who can handle graphic designing for your brand, it is advisable to invest in professional graphic designing services. That's all from this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you want to hire professional graphic designers who can help you to rebuild your brand, you can contact us via our website www.ecomclips.com. Link will be added in the description. For regular video like this, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next videos. Thank you.